Alright guys, it's been a while since I made a video for YouTube, but this time I'm showing you my 1982 Trans Am with the PMD seats and the 15-inch turbo cast wheels with the hubcaps. This car is available, it's for sale. It's going to be going on eBay very shortly, unless somebody buys it beforehand, but here is the car. Check it out. What do you guys think? How's it look? Look at those beauties. Look at that inside. Of course, PMD. A little wear on the seat, but nothing crazy. This one is the automatic and only has 78,000 miles. 78,765 right now. But here it is. So, yep, this car is for sale. It will be going on eBay very shortly. If you do want to see pictures of it, it is in Marketplace in the Philadelphia area, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Let's fire it up. Had to turn those off. Oh yeah, here it is. There's the lights. And let's go look at the outside. So if you guys are interested, this car is in Northeast Philadelphia. It's got the original Pontiac caps on there. This one in the back is not in the best of shape, but it still looks good. Could be painted to make it look better, but that's that one. Of course, don't forget to go in there and shop for some cool car parts, toy cars, etc. There's that one. There's that one. Car's inspected and it's ready for its new owner. So if you guys are in the market for an 82 Trans Am, this is a very, very, very nice one. Alright guys, I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Simply type in John Concha, hit subscribe, and hit the bell.